Kiswahili for beginners. Nouns and plurals. Part 3. Noun class u-i. Mkono, hand. Mkono, hand. Mikono, hands. Mikono, hands. Mguu, leg. Mguu, leg. Miguu, legs. Miguu, legs. Mwili, body. Mwili, body. Miili, bodies. Miili, bodies. Mti, tree. Mti, tree. Miti, trees. Miti, trees. Mmea, plant. Mmea, plant. Mimea, plants. Mimea, plants. Mkoba, bag. Mkoba, bag. Mikoba, bags. Mikoba, bags. Mwezi, moon. Mwezi, moon. Miezi, moons. Miezi, moons. Mwiko, ladle. Mwiko, ladle. Miiko, ladles. Miiko, ladles. Mlima, mountain. Mlima, mountain. Milima, mountains. Milima, mountains. Mkate, bread. Mkate, bread. Mikate, bread. Mikate, bread. Mwaka, year. Mwaka, year. Miaka, years. Miaka, years. Mlango, door. Mlango, door. Milango, doors. Milango, doors. Mswaki, toothbrush. Mswaki, toothbrush. Miswaki, toothbrushes. Miswaki, toothbrushes. Mji, city. Mji, city. Miji, cities. Miji, cities.